Sorry about the crap lighting. I was just laying in bed and couldn't sleep. So I just thought I'd do a bit of an update. It's Boxing Day today, so tomorrow morning I'm going to call the Harley dealership first thing in the morning. They did ring me on the 24th of December, just before they closed, and I was unable to call them back. All the parts have arrived for the handlebars, which is awesome. All the wiring, cables, everything they need is there with them now. So I'm going to call them in the morning, and fingers crossed they can get it installed for me tomorrow. I don't know. It's a push. So I'm going to do a ride, which I'll do a vlog on. I'm taking my son Joshy, who's out here from Brussels, away for a couple of days on the Harley. We're going to get out and do some country roads and show him some of our beautiful land. And I'd like to have the new bars on when I do that. But if not, I'll get them done next week, and you know, there'll be plenty of rides coming up anyway. So okay, so Harley Heaven have just rung, and we're getting the bike out to them now. They did say, look, no promises on getting it done by tomorrow, but I've sort of said my face with you boys, I'm bringing the bike out, so fingers crossed I'll be able to pull it off. So I've got about a 40-minute drive in front of me. It's currently about 9 o'clock. I should be there at about 9:40. So look, I mean, they've got all of today, and tomorrow's a Saturday, so they do 3 hours on a Saturday. So I'm hoping that they will pull it off for me. Fingers crossed. First world problems. Okay, so we just got a call from Harley Heaven at Blacktown, the wonderful Rowan that runs the service department out there. You're awesome, Rowan. And they've got the bars on the bike, and I have to go out and just check the angle. Hopefully the bike should be ready tomorrow by about lunchtime. So we're very, very excited. I've got my son Joshy with me. Hey Josh.
Hello.
Beautiful sunny day here in Sydney. It's about 30 degrees. We've been at the beach all day, haven't we?
Yeah.
Went to the beach, we
Very
went swimming,
nice.
hot, sunbaking, on a nice road tour. So we're going to do a road trip. We'll do a vlog on that. Probably be about a 1,000-kilometre trip. We're going to do about sort of 500 k's each way, out over the Blue Mountains from Sydney, and then all the very long way ending up in Canberra. And we'll stay in Canberra the night, and then we'll tour on the way back. So stay tuned for that one. All right, we're here. Let's go in and have a look at this bike. What do you reckon, Josh?
What?
Let's go and have a look at this bike.
Yeah.
It's French, it's the English thing, yeah? Rowan the paparazzi's here. Legend I've been talking about. He's fitted in my bike. I put my faith in the boys, and he's just a legend. I appreciate you doing all that. So can I check out these bars? So mean. Look at this. How mean do those bars look? See, I like the, they've even got the bar and shield logo on the side. So am I able to sit on that?
Yeah.
Fast and Curious. You won't forget it. Fast and Curious. Not and. Fast and Curious. Fast and Curious. You got YouTube on your phone?
Of course I do.
That's it. Oh, and there he is. No.
No, yeah, that's you.
Yeah, that's it. Your position here?
Service advisor.
Service manager, service CEO. He's just subscribed to the channel. Fucking legend. Why wouldn't you buy your bike and get it serviced here? Anyway, one last look at the bike. Just love those bars. They just look so boring, the standard road glide bars. That's what you want. There you go, we just left. What a legend. Rowan, what do you reckon, Josh? Is he a legend?
Yeah.
Hey, what a great guy. So it looks like, hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be good for tomorrow, and we'll get a Harley Davidson with new bars on it, and Joshy and I will be on the road for a tour. So that's it, we've got the new bars on. There they are. Okay, so I've just lost my wallet.